Alright guys, so I'm not real great with computers and all the video editing and whatever, so I taped all of part 4, and somehow after editing it I went to export it and it all got deleted. So I don't have any step-by-step for part 4, but it's all fairly simple. I'll walk you through what we did. Basically, powder coated the wheels orange, obviously, front and back. Put on a 14 tooth front sprocket. Went with a gold chain. We got PSD chain adjusters. On the wheels, we went with these bopper tires. I'm gonna give them a try, see how they do. We put on our PSD bracket, P34 caliper. We routed our brake line. How I do mine is I drill a hole on each side with a zip tie. Works good. Routed it up all along through the factory holders, all the way up through. And ran out by the throttle cables through the holder, come up, and to our master cylinder. So, got our 1-finger clutch lever put on, our master cylinder. Each are both just 2 bolts. Now, depending on what bars you have, what lever, where you put your bars at, you may have to reroute the clutch cable. On both of my bikes, I brought it up on this side and come up through the bars. If not, it's not long enough. So, reroute the clutch cable, put our clutch lever on, got it all adjusted, routed our brake line, got our master cylinder on, and mounted our reservoir. So it kind of sucks that everything got deleted, but it is what it is. That's what happens when your computer retarded. So we're gonna put the 12 bar on. I debated leaving the whale tail on and scraping the shit out of it for a while. I think it'd be hilarious, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the 12 bar on, and we're gonna put the integrated tail light on. And I believe that's going to be just about it to finish this bike up. So for the factory whale tail, 2 bolts here, 2 bolts, 1 here and 1 here. Take them off, take it off. Now we're going to change the blinkers and the tail lights, obviously, so we're going to go ahead and unplug those too. Now, depending on what tail light you guys have, might be a little bit different as far as installation, but this blue wire, that's for the tail light. Plugs in right here. That's the factory plug for the harness or tail light. The blinker plugs in right there. That little white plug. Alright, so I will include the links for everything that I use. So the tail light, $100 and some freaking dollars. It didn't even come with nuts, so not a big deal. But you think for that much money they could throw in some nuts for it. So the wires come off. This one for the tail light is a direct plug-in. This one for the turn signals takes this little pigtail. So plug in and it works. So I got that loose right now. The 12 bar bolts right on where the whale tail came off. The same 4 bolts you took off for that, puts that on. Now, I did buy, like I said, that's a different tail light than the one that we used on the other one, the yellow bike, but didn't really need much of a fender eliminator, but this is what I got. I'll put a link in there for this. And it doesn't really do a lot, really. It cleans up just this little piece. Just like this. There's a few holes there, I guess, you know. Here, that it covers up. But you know, is what it is. So we're gonna get this stuff bolted up and we'll be back. Orange bike done. I started to bleed the brakes, everybody, or the handbrake. We all went to the stunt lot, so I'm gonna let my boy ride it. He's gonna be the first one, put some miles on it. We're gonna just mess around here in the stunt lot. I was playing around. I already dumped the yellow bike once. Landed pretty hard on my shoulder, but we're good. It happens. So, the orange bike going for the first time. It's gonna hit 1 mile right here in the stunt lot. First few miles, take it easy on the stunt line and let the boy ride it. Hell yeah. Alright, let's get this orange bike broke in right.
Second accident.
Get your fucking kickstand up, dude. Got 1 mile on it now.
Half of them go and then half of them. Do we all go at once or just?
This clutch is definitely, I don't like it as much as my other one. I don't think it pulls as hard. Obviously it's got just now hit 2 miles, but The clutch is trash. I don't like it. I don't like the clutch.
Why? Oh, the stock still? Oh, the spring?
That's how you break in a new bike. I can't.
Gotta try it.
No, I mean I can't. I got in a hurry. I didn't finish bleeding it. I ain't fucking doing it like that.
Get yours to do it.
Huh?
Get your other one and do it.
You didn't see me eat shit already?
What happened? I looked over.
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know.
Did it break anything?
Huh?
Did it break anything?
Broke the fucking axle slider off the front.
I saw him pick something up and hand it to you. I thought it was your peg.
I haven't rode a stock bike in forever, dude.
Does it feel like a pig?
I don't know. It's different.